Mama and baby, what do they say? Animal families come and play. Learn their names, it's so much fun. Join us now, everyone. A cow has a calf so soft and sweet. They walk through the fields where grasses meet. Mama moo says, stay close to me. Little calf runs happily. A horse has a foal with legs so long. It gallops around, feeling so strong. Mama neighs, let's race and playful. Kicks its heels, what a lovely day. A dog has a puppy so full of cheer. With wagging tails, they bring joy near. Mama barks, let's dig and explore. Puppy rolls over and barks some more. Cat has a kitten with fur so sleek. They pounce and play with a tiny squeak. Mama meows, come cuddle with me. Kitten purrs softly, as cozy as can be. A duck has a duckling, yellow and round. They splash in ponds where reeds are found. Mama quacks, let's swim in a line. Duckling paddles, feeling so fine. A hen has a chick all fluffy and small. Pecking the ground, it's learning it all. Mama clucks, stay under my wing. Chick chirps loudly, ready to sing. A sheep has a lamb with a coat so white. Leaping in meadows, morning to night. Mama boss says, let's rest in the hay. Little lamb curls up